Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Apple iPhone 14 is launching in next week. Apple has scheduled its far out launch event for September 7. The tech giant will be launching its new iPhone series expected to be called the iPhone 14. A new Max model is expected to replace the mini in the upcoming iPhone lineup. iPhone 14 series may also include iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 40 Pro, 14 Pro Max. Speculations also unveil that iPhone 14 might get a direct satellite connectivity feature. The company will be raising the price bar too for the new series by about 100 USD. Reports suggest Apple may also remove the notch from the iPhone 14 with a pinhole camera. Apple is also expected to launch Apple Watch Series 8 at the far out launch event. Apple Watch Series 8 will have additional features including a fever sensor and improved durability. The event will be hosted at Apple Park headquarters in California and will be live streamed on apple.com and other streaming services. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.